guys, welcome to vlogmas day 9. I thought today we could do a little winter makeup routine. My skin is looking so pale and I'm breaking out a little bit on my cheeks. Let's just get ourselves together. And I have just a few new products that I've been using that I have been loving. So I thought we could just do our makeup together and we can chat about all of our thoughts and feelings about Christmas, plans for the holidays, all the things. I actually have a really fun little gadget that is coming in the mail very soon that I'm so excited for. You guys know that I've been filming on my phone because my camera decided to stop working. I definitely should have taken a little bit better care of it because I kind of just like threw it in my bag. The lens is just jammed or something, and I'm sure it's probably an easy fix, but I personally can't do it on my own. I need like somebody to deconstruct the camera. And so I have just a fun new camera coming that will honestly probably be my full-time vlogging camera, and then I'll hopefully use my Sony ZV-1 for like more of just like sit down content. I love my Sony ZV-1, but my only complaint is that the battery runs out so fast, or I can't really film long form videos. Like I tried to film my podcast on there and it could only film like 20 minutes of footage because then it would overheat. So it's not the greatest for long form content, but it's so easy to use for just like simple vlogging. Okay, let's talk makeup real quick. I've been trying to get rid of my toxic makeup because a lot of these products definitely have been breaking me out. And so I'm switching to like non-toxic brands. Like say I am using the Sun Glow Glowy Super Gel Illuminator. It is kind of like the Lumi Glotion, which love the Lumi Glotion. Love this. But I think this breaks me out a little bit. So this was the next best option. And then I am gonna use this lip tint, little SPF 35, Say Tinted Moisturizer. And this one, if you guys are interested, it's in the shade 4. I like how much coverage this one has because it really is just super light. Let's talk plans for Christmas. I am currently trying to decide when to go home. My sister Kirsten gets into Ohio around like the 17th. And so I'm like, should I go up there earlier than I planned because she's gonna be there, or should I stay here? I don't really know. I think a lot of my friends are leaving around like 16th through the 20th. So I think I'm gonna try to plan to leave either the 18th or 19th. I feel like this week I want to do very Christmassy things because last week I was just in my bed most of the time because I was sick. But now that I'm kind of on an upswing, I still don't feel the greatest. I don't know what's going on or why it's lingering so long. But I'm staying on top of my meds. We're getting better. And so I definitely want to like go see Christmas lights this week, and we definitely need to go see Eternity too, since we've tried to go see that twice now. I want to go downtown and eat at a restaurant because there's so many cute places in our downtown. But when I go back home to Ohio, it better be snowing. It has snow on the ground right now, and so I'm praying that it stays or there's a fresh set of snow that comes. My pastor was being so real yesterday, and he was just telling us about just like the grumpy parts of like the holidays and how, I don't know, there's things like putting up the Christmas lights and going and getting presents and all those things that sometimes aren't luxurious. Like you're making a lot of sacrifices during this time. And he was just being real about the fact that he didn't want to put up Christmas lights, but then his kids kind of inspired him to do so, and he ended up doing it. And he kind of had to just like repent for being grumpy about it. I feel like it just reminds me to just truly have childlike faith around this time and like stop and have heart checks often to make sure I'm not being overconsumed with consumerism or social media during this time, and really just being present with my friends and my family. I feel like too, a lot of us can become materialistic and kind of get wrapped up in Christmas lists and just buying new things and I just don't want that to be the case, even though it's so easy for that to flood our minds. On Vlogmas, I want to start doing little things that aren't using my phone or anything to just fill my cup during this season and stay grounded in the word. I just used the Kosas concealer. And then the bronzer I used is the LYS bronzer, Pixie Highlight. Today I need to do research on where to see really pretty Christmas lights in Ohio. My family has gone to like the Ark Encounter, which is like on the border of Kentucky, and we've gone to Clifton Mills, which is in Ohio, and the zoo lights are always so fun. I really want to book something like that with my family. I also kind of want to do the Polar Express train. I feel like that would be so funny with my family. I didn't even talk about how Sabbath dinner went. It was so good. I had just like a smaller amount of people attend than expected, but it was still so fun. Everybody who was there was meant to be there. I'm doing my makeup all out of order today, but this is one of my favorite lip liners. It is by Rimmel, shade Brownie Pie. And I'm gonna put this L'Oreal Plump Ambition lip oil. Okay, I'm gonna go do my brows in the bathroom, and then I'll show you my finished look. But this is the e.l.f. soap brow. I need to figure out what to do with my hair. I feel like it's not cooperating today, but it's fine. But I feel like the brows always change up this look so much. But that is basically my 5-minute makeup routine if I'm not talking. It's perfect for just a winter glowy look and trying to keep your hormones balanced and acne under control. I know all of my products aren't non-toxic, but we're slowly but surely getting there. Trying to decide if I should take you guys with me or if I should just end the video here. We are at a coffee shop and we just ordered an iced honey latte and iced salted pistachio matcha. And we're gonna get some cute pictures. And yeah, there's a lot of people in here, but we're not nervous.
Nope. It's raining outside.
It is raining. But this is the best coffee shop to be in when it's raining.
Yeah. Look at this old man. Look at this old man. I'm gonna get our drinks.
Bro, that's amazing. Oh, thank you.
There you go.
Yum. Guys, look how cool our view. Okay guys, we're here taking some pictures. I think we actually got a lot.
I think we did too.
And some that we actually like. Slay. And it's raining. And it's really cold. I swear. Wait, we should film a video like this. We're feeling inspired right now. The little pieces are flowing.
It's flowing. Ready?
I play with dolls.
My name is Sam.
My name is Mac, and I have a best friend named Aubrey.
I'm Aubrey.
Oh. Oh. Uh-oh, did I catch this recording? Where is she in here? Mac, and that's why you don't do that.
There's no way!
I tried to tell you.
Well, when I said it, I was like, maybe it didn't come out. So then I was like,
Oh, now it's...
I was like, oh no, now.
I think I was fixing my zipper when I was walking back.
Wait, I know. There's like a wind tunnel. I'm gonna start coughing. We're going bowling. Doo doo. Got my bowling ball. I love this game. Not Jonah Bug. Not Ack Attack.
Oh, that was good.
That was good, Gigi. This feels like we're in a...
You got last one. Come on, John.
Use them bumpers. Oh, oh, oh. Low key, that spin was crazy.
Let's go, man. Let's go, man.
Let's go. I forgot to change the little dials. That's to go. Yes. We're ready. 5, 6, 7.
JP, move.
Oh yeah. Okay, your guys' turn.
I want a 2. I want 2, 3, 4.
7, 8, turn. Yeah, let's try. Okay, predictions. Who's gonna win? I think Aubrey's gonna pull it out.
I was gonna say I think you're gonna make it back.
Oh, on the last one? Who do you think is gonna win?
I think honestly probably JP, but Aubrey could do it.
Yeah, she could. Aubrey could do it.
It's pretty good.
Who's your prediction for winning?
You. I think you're gonna win.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Shoot, guys. What? No. Oh no! I'm scared. Wow. What a gentleman.
This one's for the troops.
Wow. Good job!
Oh, you're blocking it.
Where is it?
Bro! Guys, look at this car. Oh, you... This is the best thing in the world! You're amazing! You're amazing! Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10.